All right, so today we're running the fake sneezing on people prank, but I don't have a bottle, so we gotta go find one. I think we're gonna hit this store while we're here. Hopefully avoid getting kicked out.
Welcome.
Got the bottle, let's go get it. Oh my God.
Fuck, bro, are you fucking serious,
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to, bro.
You fucking liar.
I didn't mean to.
You fucking came and sneezed right on me.
I did not. I didn't mean to, bro. I didn't. I didn't.
Fuck you up.
I didn't mean to.
I kicked that piece of shit across you. Get the fuck out of my face, dude.
Dude. Oh my.
Fuck you, bro.
You wouldn't dare.
You sure?
You wouldn't dare.
I can see you on camera. You coming up and sneezing on me. Give me your fucking camera, bro. Hey, cool.
Bro, holy fuck. Yeah, we should go. Oh.
Oh, dude.
Sorry, babe.
All over the back of my neck?
Huh? Did I get you?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. I've been like deathly sick for a week. My bad. Cold's kicking my ass, you know?
Yeah?
Think it might get me again. Oh my God.
Seriously?
I'm so sorry.
Come on, man.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, like I said, it's been like a week, man. I'm just getting over this, like just some gunk shit in my throat, you know? Oh my God. Sorry, sir. Whew. My bad. I've been like sick for like 2 weeks. That's my bad, sir. I didn't mean to run you away from the buddy though.
You did the same thing to me. I'm sitting down.
You're going to get your ass kicked. You better leave the store now.
Huh?
Leave the store now. You're gonna
I'm
get
sorry.
your ass
I'm really sorry.
kicked. Tim and I are going to beat your butt if you don't leave.
You wouldn't.
You sneezed on the back of my neck.
You did it to me twice.
You wouldn't dare. You wouldn't dare. Oh my God.
Oh, dude.
Oh my God. What's up? Huh?
It sneezed on my neck.
Did I get you? Oh my God, man. Oh my God. My bad. Here, let me get it.
No, would you stay away?
I'm sorry, sir.
Dude.
Do you want me to get it? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Did I get you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Did I get you a little? Oh, I've been congested for like a week, man. Just some sickly, deadly ass shit. Oh, like mucus has been built up and shit. I feel awful, honestly, today. I feel like shit. Come here. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm here. Hold on, give me a sec. Holy shit. My bad. Did I get you on that?
Yeah, you did.
My bad, sir. That one just came out, man. I've been sick for like a week, man. I'm just getting over it. My bad, brother, man.
I'll get out of here.
Sorry. My bad. Sorry, man.
Okay, fine.
Allergies have been hitting me all day. I'll leave you alone. Oh, fucking.
God damn it, get the fuck out of here.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Hold on, baby. I'm really sorry, but I've had like gunk and shit in my throat for like a week. That's my bad.
Get out of here.
My bad, sir. Oh my God. Woo. My bad.
Are you serious?
Huh?
You just fucking sneezed on my back?
My bad. Dude, it's like, once it goes off, it's off. You know what I'm saying? Do you want me to wipe it off? I'm really sorry, sir.
You just sneezed on me.
Yeah, I know, my bad. That like the pandemic and shit?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I didn't even think about that.
Are you fucking stupid, dude?
What do you mean?
I have a fucking elderly father that I take care of, and you fucking just go around and spit on my fucking back of my neck.
There's just a sneeze. I didn't mean to.
Yeah, that's why my back's all
Dude,
wet.
I've been like deathly sick for a week. Cut me some slack.
And you think it's smart to come in the store and then
Bro.
sneeze on people?
I didn't think of it, to be honest. I'm a jackass. I'm a jackass. That's my bad. We're just messing with you, bro. Hey, dude, we're just messing with you. I'm just fucking with you, dude. Are you sure? Yeah. My man, I appreciate you, brother, dude. Oh my God.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm so sorry. Did I get you?
God, I hope not.
Oh my God. It's like a shotgun, you know?
Yeah.
Breaks out of that case and it's just gone. Oh my God.
Maybe don't stand right next
Oh my God. I'm so congested. Oh my God. Oh fuck. You go left.
You guys have to leave the store.
Wait, what?
We're getting complaints. We have to leave the store.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh
You guys are
fuck.
getting kicked out of Walmart. You have to leave.
For real?
Yes.
Fuck. Okay. Shit, that's my bad. We'll get out of here, no hassle.